Every year, thousands of helicopter flights support vital operations across the UK, from emergency medical services and search and rescue to offshore oil, gas and renewable energy installations. The Civil Aviation Authority, or CAA, regulates all helicopter operations, enforcing strict standards for maintenance, training and flight procedures. Thanks to this management, the fatal accident rate for UK helicopters is around 0.35 per 100,000 flying hours, among the lowest in the world. At the end of the course, you will be able to explain how aviation is regulated and who regulates it, describe helicopter systems and safety equipment, explain the types of helicopter maintenance and inspection process, identify the difference between licensed and unlicensed maintenance engineers, describe the qualifications, training and competency checks required for pilots, and explain the importance of soft skills in helicopter pilot training.